Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for aspiring entrepreneurs in Nigeria: how to write a business plan for your online business. If you're looking to start your online business, you're in the right place. Creating a business plan is your first step towards a successful online business. It's like a roadmap that guides you through the process of building and growing your venture. Today we'll walk through the essential components of a business plan tailored for the Nigerian market. We will also compare some effective strategies to ensure your plan is rock solid. 1. Executive Summary. The executive summary is the first impression of your business. Think of it like the cover of a book. It gives a quick overview of your business and its goals, purpose, and significance. The executive summary is a brief yet compelling introduction to your business. It outlines what your business does, its mission, vision, and objectives. This section should be concise but impactful, grabbing the reader's attention. 2. Market Analysis. Understanding your market is crucial for any business. Let's see why market analysis is important and how to do it effectively. Market research helps you understand your target audience, needs, and preferences. It's essential to know the industry landscape, your target market, and your competition. Identify trends, challenges, and opportunities in the industry. Define your ideal customers and what they need. Analyze competitors to find your unique selling point. Stay updated on industry needs and customer behavior. Conduct surveys, interviews, or analyze online data to gather insights. 3. Product/service description. Describe your product or service in detail to help your potential customers understand what you're offering. A clear description increases customers' interest and confidence. Highlight your unique selling points to stand out from the competition. Examples of effective description. Let's take an example of an e-commerce store selling organic skincare products. The description: our skincare products are made from all natural ingredients sourced from local farmers in Nigeria. Each product is carefully crafted to nourish and rejuvenate your skin. Say goodbye to harsh chemicals and hello to radiant and naturally beautiful skin. Let's take this other example of an effective description of an online fitness coaching service. The description: get fit from anywhere with our online fitness coaching services. Our certified trainers will create a personalized workout plans tailored to your goals and fitness level. Whether you're looking to lose weight, build muscle, or improve your overall health, we have got you covered. Start your journey to a healthier you today. 4. Marketing and sales strategies. Outline how you will attract and retain customers. A solid marketing and sales plan is your roadmap to success. It helps you stand out in Nigeria's competitive online market. Social media platforms like Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter are good marketing channels. Content marketing through blogs and videos can also be helpful. Not forgetting email marketing and search engine optimization. Some of the strategies for customer acquisition, retention, and growth include excellent customer service and personalized experience, loyalty programs and expanding product offerings, entering new markets within Nigeria, and forming business partnerships. 5. Operation and management. Managing an online business involves several key operations. 1. Website development. Hire a web developer or use DIY website builders like WordPress or Shopify. 2. Order fulfillment. Efficiently handle packaging and shipping, either in-house or through third-party logistics. 3. Customer service. Provide responsive and excellent customer service to build trust and loyalty. 4. Logistics. Choose reliable shipping partners and optimize your supply chain. 5. Legal considerations. Ensure compliance with Nigeria's laws and regulations. Also ensure to obtain necessary licenses and permits and register your business. Financial projections. Make realistic financial forecasts to understand your future revenue and expenses. Estimating revenue streams, costs, and profitability. Identify your revenue streams and estimate monthly or yearly income. Consider running costs like website hosting, marketing, and inventory. Subtract costs from revenue to determine profitability. Securing funding and attracting investors. Outline your funding strategy, including loans, investors, and crowdfunding. Present clear and realistic financial projections to attract investors. 7. Risk assessment and mitigation. Identify potential risks and develop strategies to mitigate them. Common risks for online businesses: cybersecurity threats, competition, and e-commerce fluctuations. Strategies for risk mitigation: invest in robust cybersecurity measures, differentiate your business with unique products or services, diversify revenue streams, and monitor economic trends. And lastly, create a contingency plan for unforeseen events. Crafting a business plan for an online business in Nigeria is key to success. A well thought out business plan helps you understand your business better, attract investors or partners, and secure funding. Take the time to research and write a detailed plan to set yourself up for long-term success. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips. See you next time.